In these questions, what we want to do is get down to some exact values for these expressions. So cos of 22.5 degrees and sine 22.5 degrees. So we realise that we can manipulate that to two cos and sine of the same angle with a half out the front, which is going to come down to sine of two lots of 22.5 degrees, which is sine of 45. Now that allows us to put in our exact value of 1 on root 2 and get down the exact value for that one of 1 on 2 lots of root 2. So again, we're manipulating our functions to suit our needs. Cos squared 30 minus sine squared 30, well that's a pretty straightforward application of the rule, which comes down to cos of double the angle, which would be 60, and cos of 60 is a half. 2 tan 15, 1 minus tan squared 15, again pretty standard manipulation. Back to 2 lots of 15 there. Again, we're doubling that angle. And tan of 30 degrees gives us the 1 on root 3. 2 tan 120 minus 1 tan squared 120 gives us tan of 240. Now remember, 240 is in the third quadrant, so that would be the same as tan of 60, and which would be root 3. So they're going to be exactly the same because tan's positive in the third quadrant. 2 sine 75 cos 75, again straight application of the rule, which comes down to sine of 150. 150 is in the second quadrant, so it'd be the same as positive sine of 30, which comes to a half. 1 minus 2 sine squared 165, again straightforward application of the rule, double that angle, cos of 330, again in the fourth quadrant, so that's the same as cos of 30 or root 3 on 2.